Hello my dear students, today we are going to study the next kingdom, that is kingdom fungi. It's a unique kingdom of heterotrophic organisms. You are familiar with fungi. The rotten orange, have you seen? These are fungi. The bread mold, these are fungi. Mushroom that we are eating, that also fungi. Okay, some are unicellular, some are multicellular. In the case of multicellular fungi, it consists of small, thin, slender structures. These structures are known as hyphae. And the network of hyphae forms mycelium. Okay, that is the fungal body. And sometimes the mycelium contains multinucleus, more than one nuclei in the cytoplasm. Such condition is known as cenocytic condition. Cenocytic mycelium means single cytoplasm with many nuclei. That means in between there is no cell wall. But in other cases, cell wall is present in between. Okay. In that cases, it is uninucleate. Here the fungal cell wall is made up of chitin and polysaccharides. I told fungi are heterotrophic in nature. Some are saprophytic, some are decomposers, some are parasitic and cause disease to animals and plants. Whereas some other fungus, they live in association with other categories. For example, lichen. These are symbiotic association of algae and fungi. And the association of fungus with roots of higher plants form mycorrhiza. Okay, so mycorrhiza and lichen, these are examples of symbiotic association of fungi. Okay, and they are present everywhere. Soil, water, air, and on the bodies of animals and plants also. They reproduce vegetatively, asexually, and sexually. Vegetative reproduction by fragmentation, budding, or by fission. Whereas they reproduce asexually by producing certain spores. These spores are zoospores, conidia, or sporangiospores. And the sexual spores are known as oospores, ascospores, or basidiospores. These spores are produced on special structures in the mycelium called fruiting bodies. Sexual cycle of fungi includes 3 stages. The first stage is plasmogamy, means the fusion of protoplasm of 2 gametes. It is followed by the fusion of nuclei, that is known as karyogamy. Okay. As a result of this, a diploid zygote is formed. This diploid zygote undergoes meiosis and produces haploid spores. But in some cases, there is an intermediate stage will occur. That is, the karyogamy is not immediately followed by plasmogamy. As a result, cytoplasm with the 2 nucleate condition will be formed. This condition is known as dikaryon, and that stage is known as dikaryophase. After some times, this dikaryon fuse together and form the zygote. Okay. Then based on the nature of the mycelium and the formation of spores and fruiting bodies, fungi classified under 4 different classes. These are phycomycetes, ascomycetes, basidiomycetes, and deuteromycetes. The first one is phycomycetes. The members of phycomycetes are aquatic in habitat. Here the mycelium is aseptate and cenocytic. Aseptate means there is no septa, there is no cell wall in between. So it is multinucleate in nature. And here they reproduce asexually by producing zoospores or aplanospores. Zoospores are motile and aplanospores are non-motile spores. And a zygospore is formed by the fusion of gametes. The gametes may be similar or dissimilar. If both the gametes are similar, these are known as isogamous, and if these are dissimilar, it is known as anisogamous. Okay. Main example, Mucor and Rhizopus. Okay. The second category is ascomycetes. These are known as the sac fungi. They are parasitic, decomposers, saprophytic or coprophilous, means dung eating. And here the mycelium is septate and branched. They reproduce asexually by producing spores called conidia. These are developed on special mycelium called conidiophores. These conidia later develops into mycelium. And the sexual spores are known as ascospores. These ascospores are produced in sac-like structures called asci. These asci are arranged in a different fruiting bodies called ascocarps. Here the main examples of ascomycetes are Neurospora, Penicillium, yeast, etc. Okay. The third category, that is basidiomycetes. It includes mushrooms, puffballs, bracket fungi, etc. Okay. Here the mycelium is septate and branched. Asexual spores are not found. They reproduce vegetatively by fragmentation. Here sex organs are absent but plasmogamy is there. Plasmogamy means here the fusion of protoplasm of two vegetative cells. It is not between the gametes. Here the protoplasm of vegetative cells undergo fusion. That is plasmogamy. Okay. As a result of this plasmogamy, a special structure called basidium is formed. Later karyogamy and meiosis happens in the basidium and produce 4 basidiospores. These basidium are arranged on special fruiting bodies called basidiocarp. Examples I already told, agaricus or the mushroom. The last category, that is deuteromycetes. These are known as the imperfect fungi. Here the sexual life cycle is completely absent. Once the perfect sexual members were discovered, they were moved to another categories like ascomycetes or basidiomycetes. Here the mycelium is septate and branched. They reproduce asexually by producing spores called conidia. These are all about the different classes of kingdom fungi: phycomycetes, ascomycetes, basidiomycetes and deuteromycetes. Okay, these are very important. Study well. Some confusing terms are there, so repeatedly study, then it become clear for you. So the next kingdom we can discuss in the next class. Thank you.